So a lot of you wanted to know what this brushless Ryobi chainsaw, how this worked. As you can see, we had an ash tree that went down in our yard with the storm, and it cut up to a 13-inch in diameter logs with this. I ended up using 2 batteries. I started off with the 40 volt, the 4 amp hour battery, and then I ended up switching to the 6 at the end, because obviously these big logs took a lot to go through it, and it did a great job. And as a female, this chainsaw is wonderful. I absolutely love this. It's lightweight. It cuts through the branches and stuff just like you would cut through butter. Let's take a look at the video here of it live in action. And again, this is the Ryobi Brushless 40 volt 16-inch chainsaw, and you can find that at the link below.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.